Subscribe for daily videos. Implement the three-stream communication model. When cloud migrations fail, communication often becomes the biggest bottleneck. The most effective TPMs separate technical engineering discussions, executive status updates, and customer-facing communications into three independent streams. This prevents executives from being overwhelmed by technical details while allowing engineers to solve problems without constant interruptions. Replace opinions with observability. Successful war rooms rely on data, not assumptions. Real-time observability dashboards provide deterministic metrics such as latency, error rates, container health, and infrastructure utilization. Decisions become evidence-driven instead of based on subjective status reports. Define rules in multi-vendor environments. Cloud migrations frequently involve multiple vendors, managed service providers, and internal teams. Without predefined ownership, meetings become blame sessions. A TPM establishes clear escalation paths, ownership boundaries, and decision authority before technical discussions begin. Know when temporary fixes become technical debt. Emergency patches can restore production quickly, but every temporary workaround has a cost. Technical project managers must recognize the point where a short-term solution begins threatening future scalability, maintainability, and system reliability. Stabilize today while preventing tomorrow's incident. Every outage reveals architectural weaknesses. Instead of only restoring service, strong TPMs ensure every incident produces architectural improvements that reduce the probability of similar failures during future migrations. Balance recovery with long-term architecture. Fast recovery should never compromise the integrity of the cloud landing zone. Technical leaders must balance immediate restoration with infrastructure standards that support future deployments, governance, and operational consistency. Translate technical problems into business language. Executives don't need Kubernetes logs. They need business impact. TPMs translate latency spikes, failed deployments, and orchestration issues into customer impact, financial risk, SLA exposure, and operational priorities. Lead under downtime pressure. When every minute of downtime costs thousands of dollars, engineering teams experience significant stress. Effective TPMs reduce noise, prioritize tasks, remove distractions, and maintain structured decision-making even during peak pressure. Build trust through transparent reporting infrastructure. Failures can become opportunities to demonstrate operational maturity. Transparent reporting, consistent updates, and clear action tracking build executive confidence even while systems remain under active recovery. Move beyond blameless culture. Blameless postmortems encourage learning, but accountability drives improvement. High-performing organizations identify systemic process failures, configuration gaps, and architectural weaknesses without turning reviews into personal criticism. Compare the migration plan with reality. Production environments rarely behave exactly as documented. TPMs continuously analyze the gap between migration assumptions and live infrastructure behavior, allowing future deployment plans to become increasingly accurate. Automate every lesson learned. The strongest postmortems result in automation. Infrastructure improvements become Terraform policies, service mesh guardrails, or compliance checks that prevent identical failures from reappearing in future migrations. Feed war room learning into CI/CD incident insights should strengthen the delivery pipeline. Integrating new validation rules, automated testing, and deployment safeguards into CI/CD creates increasingly resilient cloud deployments. Expand the TPM skill set with chaos engineering. Modern TPMs don't simply react to incidents, they prepare for them. Chaos engineering validates cloud resilience before production migrations, exposing weaknesses under controlled conditions rather than during business-critical outages. From crisis management to continuous evolution, the objective isn't simply surviving a migration war room. The goal is building operational systems that evolve continuously, recover faster, automate improvements, and become more resilient after every deployment.